talking about time. So today our topic is units of time. Units of time. What are units of time? 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 year is equal to 365 days. Then 10 years is equal to 1 decade. 1 decade. So 1 minute is equal to 60 years. 1 year is equal to 1 decade is equal to 10 years. 10 decades is equal to 1 century. So these are the units of time. See here, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 1 day is equal to 24 hours, 1 year is equal to 365 days, 10 years is equal to 1 decade, 10 decades is equal to 1 century, 10 centuries is equal to 1 millennium. 10 centuries is equal to 1 millennium. These are the units of time. 1 millennium. Next one, always as I said for you yesterday, whatever work we have to do, we have to see the time. And I told for you, if I want to do my work in time, I must be speed. I must do my work in speed. What is this speed means? Average speed is equal to distance travelled by time taken. This is the formula for the speed. This is the formula for speed. Average speed is equal to distance travelled by time taken. That is speed is equal to distance by time. Speed is equal to distance by time. Next we are having the time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is equal to speed into time. Distance is equal to speed into time. Please try to understand. These three formulas are very important. Speed is equal to distance by time. Time is equal to distance by speed. Distance is equal to speed into time. How did I write this one? You can see that when the time comes here, the speed will go here. Okay? This which is in denominator, when it is coming here, which is here in the LHS part will go here, and it will be in the denominator form. So time is equal to distance by speed. Distance, here distance is there. When it comes here, what will happen? Multiplication I told. So speed into time. This is very important formula. See here, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes, 1 day is equal to 24 hours, 1 year is equal to 365 days, 10 years is equal to 1 decade, 10 decades is equal to 1 century, 10 centuries is equal to 1 millennium. Average speed is equal to distance travelled by time taken. Speed is equal to distance by time, time is equal to distance by speed, distance is equal to speed into time. Now we are going to prove a problem. See here, we are going to prove prove 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meters per second. This is a very important problem. Prove that 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meters per second. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Now we have to prove our answer in meters and seconds. Now we got kilometers changed into meters, but hours was changed into minutes. Now I want to change this hours into seconds. So we know that 60 minutes, 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. We know that 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Is it correct or not? Now 60 minutes. 60 minutes is equal to 60 into 60. Try to understand here. We have to prove that 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meters per second. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. We got in meters. Now what I should do? I have to change time into seconds. Okay. So 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Here how many minutes is there? 60 minutes is there. So 60 into 60, that is equal to 3600 seconds. 3600 seconds. You have to understand that the unit of the unit of speed is equal to kilometer per hour or meter per second. This is very, very important formula, or a blank. The unit of speed is equal to kilometer per hour or meter per second. So 60 minutes is equal to 3600 seconds I do. Now see here, 1 kilometer per hour. 1 kilometer means 1000 meters by 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. Now cancel these two zeros. Finally what was left over here? 10 and 36. Here 2 5s are 10. Here 2 1s are 2. 1 is borrowed here, 16. 2 8s are 16. What we got here? 5 by 18. Therefore 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meters per second. Did you follow? First, which is in kilometers per hour, we have to convert into meters per second. Now you have to know these formulas, very important. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 60 minutes is equal to 3600 seconds. Now 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 1000 by 3600. When we cancel this two, we'll get 5 by 18. So 1 kilometer is equal to 5 by 18. 1 meter per second is equal to, if I want to know about 1 meter per second, we will get 18 by 5 kilometers per hour. If I want to know 1 meter per second, it is means the reciprocal of this one. 1 meter per second, if I want to get the reciprocal of this one, that will be 18 by 5 kilometers per hour. This is a very, very important problem. Did you follow? Please write in your classwork. Next problem is
Start.
next problem. You can see here a table was given. Here a car is traveling. Already I told for you. Equal distance and equal intervals of time we discussed, no? So here time is given. Distance covered is given. Time is given. Distance covered is given. Let us see here. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, 30 and 40. So the time taken by this is 0 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes and 40 minutes. Now distance covered by that one is 0 kilometers, 15 kilometers, 25 kilometers, then 38 kilometers and 60 kilometers. You try to understand by seeing this pic or by seeing this table, what you can understand, this is an uniform non-uniform motion. This is a non-uniform motion. This is a non-uniform motion. Why? Because unequal distance in equal intervals of time. Here time every 10 minutes, 10 minutes time. But here the distance covered is in unequal distance. So we are telling this is in a non-uniform motion. What he is asking us to prove is that the distance, the total distance covered by that one. Total distance is equal to 60 kilometers. Okay, time taken is equal to 40 minutes. Now you can see here distance is in kilometers, time is in minutes, but I want time in hours. So I know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So what I have to do is, now how much is given here? 40 minutes is given. So 40 by 60 hour, 0 0 will be cancelled. Here 2 times, here 3 times, that is 2 by 3 hours. How much time he took? Hours. Now as I said for you, if it is in minutes, you will, if it is in kilometers, you have to make it into hours. If it is in meters, you have to make it into seconds. If it is in kilometers, you have to make it into hours. If it is in meters, you have to change into seconds. Here the distance traveled is in kilometers, so the time I converted, actually the time given is in minutes, I converted into hours. So here you can see that speed is equal to, what is our formula? Speed is equal to distance by time. Now what I should find? I should find the speed of the vehicle. So distance is equal to 60 by time taken is equal to 2 by 3 hours. That is equal to 60 into 3 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 30s are, 2 ones are 2, 2 30s are 60, 33s are, that is equal to 90 kilometers per hour. 90 kilometers per hour is the speed of the vehicle. Please try to understand. Here a car is travelling at 0 minutes to 40 minutes in non-uniform motion. Why? Because here you can see 0, 15, 25, 38, 60. No, sir, what is that? The uniformity is not there in kilometers is given. So for us, what he is asking, distance is given, time is given. Please find out what is speed. So for that, what we did, distance is equal to 60 kilometers. Time taken is equal to 40 minutes. Now this is in kilometers, means I have to change the time into hours. So I changed how 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 40 minutes is equal to 40 by 60. Then we got 2 by 3 hours. Speed is equal to distance by time. That is equal to 60 by 2 by 3. This when we bring up, it becomes reciprocal. 60 into 3 by 2, 2 ones are 2, 2 30s are 60. That is equal to 90 kilometers per hour. This also you must write in your classwork. Next problem. The next problem is the speed of the bus is 72 kilometers per hour, whereas speed of a car is 12.5 meters per second, which is moving faster. Please see the question here. The speed of the bus is 72 kilometers per hour, whereas the speed of the car is 12.5 meters per second. Two are given for you. One is in kilometers per hour, the other one is in meters per second. What he is asking us to do? He is asking us to find out which one is faster? Now the speed of the bus. The speed of the bus is equal to 72 kilometers per hour. Okay. Next one, the speed of the car. The speed of the car is equal to 12.5 meters per second. Now I have to convert this kilometers per hour into meters per second or this meters per second into kilometers per hour. So what I am doing that I am taking the car value. What is the car value? 12.5 meters per second. Already I told for you. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meters per second. So now 1 meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 kilometers per hour. Now what I have to do, you know, now this 12.5 into, this is in meters per second, no? I have to convert this meters per second into kilometers per hour. Now what is the value of 1 meter per second? Here meter per second. 1 meter per second value is 18 by 5. So here 18 by 5. Here 18 by 5. That is equal to 5 ones are 5. Okay, here 5 into 2.5. Why? Because 5 25s are 125. We know that 5 25s are 125. But here 12.5 is there, so I kept here 2.5. Now 2.5 into 18 is equal to, now see here, 18 into 2.5. 5 4s are, 5 8s are 40. 5 1s are 5 plus 4, 9. Into 2 8s are 16. 1. 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. 0, 5, 1, 4. So here point will come. So how much it is? When I multiply 18 into 2.5, what is the answer I got? 45.0. So 45 kilometers per hour. Now the speed of the bus is 72 kilometers per hour. The speed of the car is 45 kilometers per hour. Okay. Now which one moves faster? Is it the bus or is it the car? The bus moves faster. The bus moves faster than the car. The bus moves faster than the car. Please try to understand this problem. The speed of the bus is 72 kilometers. The speed of the car is 12.5 meters. Which moves faster? So the speed of the bus is 72 kilometers per hour. The speed of the car is 12.5 meters per second. This meters per second I have to convert into kilometers per hour. So our formula is 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 by 18 meters per second. Here 1 meter per second is equal to 18 by 5 kilometers per hour. So 12.5 into 18 by 5. 5 ones are 5. 5 25s are 125. So here 2.5. 2.5 into 18 is equal to 45 kilometers per hour. The speed of the car is 45 and the speed of the bus is 72. Which one will move faster? The bus moves faster than the car. Tomorrow again another 3 more problems are there. With that we shall conclude the chapter. Thank you.